Hi guys, welcome back to Stock Pro. And today I will be doing this concluding, series of Heiken-Ashi candle. So what I wanted to conclude here is with, how do you do trading with positional stocks using Heiken-Ashi candles. So I think, the longer the time frame, the better Heiken-Ashi gives you better results, right? So what I prefer, for Heiken-Ashi, if you really want a good confirmation and, you want to filter out the noise, the best way to go about is to use 1 day time frame, right? So this is Nifty. Let me just put 1 day time frame. And today I'm not going to be, talking about Nifty, but I'm going to be talking about, the stocks. So I'm going to make it Heiken-Ashi candle. And let's see various stocks, like let's say Oberoi Reality, like this is a stock that I have recently given. So see here, there is a kind of confusion, in the market, this is the normal candlestick pattern. Let me just change it to the Heiken-Ashi candle, and I'm going to make my time frame as 1 day, right? Let's see how it goes. Even here there is a confusion, like there's, of course, still not, as confused as you get with the normal candlestick pattern. There's green, 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 red, 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 right? But like, I want to give you some strategy. Pick up the good stocks. For example, like I love these stocks, like Flips Carbon, and I like, Graphite India, and all these stocks, what you can do is you can apply Heiken-Ashi candles on them, right? How do you enter in them? So the logic remains same. Whenever you get the first green flat bottom candle, take an entry, right? Above the moving average. I have put 10 moving average. I have put 50 moving average. I have put 200 moving average. So the moment you get a candlestick pattern, which is flat bottom, green in color, above the moving average, create your position, right? Of course, the RSI MACD is supporting you. Enter over here, 987, and where will it take you? It will take you to 1594. How do you enter? How do you exit? Now, exit. So see here, if you see here, this is a flat bottom, flat bottom, flat bottom, flat bottom, flat bottom. First doji appeared, but which color doji is it? It's a green doji. Next is a green doji. Next to the flat head candle. You don't need, none of them is alarming, right? Doji means there's some kind of a, consideration one has to do, because there could be a probable turn in the events. Now, when the first red doji appears, you have to sit tight, right? And then whenever the flat head red candle appears and it pierces the 10 moving average, that is when you can exit. Now, what I will do, let me write down the candle number. This is our candle number 1, where we will enter, and this is our candle number 2, where we will exit, right? We'll just see if I convert this into the normal candlestick pattern, where we do get our entry and the exit, right? So with the formation of this candle, which is 10,000, 1,029, we will enter. And where do we exit? 1380, right? This is the run up that we will get, right? Of course, if you're a long-term investor, so at least this run up with confidence you will be able to enjoy, where you don't need to worry, like from here till this point is what you can really enjoy. This is your run up, safe run up, okay? And you will be able to maximize your benefits. After that, you exit. You simply exit your trade, stay out. You know that every time a flathead candle will appear in Flips Carbon, you will enter into it, enter here and exit here, right? Again, whenever the red color doji appears, exit your trade and then again enter. These are buy only stocks, remember. Do not short, you cannot shorten them, right? Now similarly, look into the Graphite India. This is again a monopoly stock. Enter into whenever a flathead green candle appears. You want to avoid this, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 days when the OGs are forming. Your capital is parked, so you don't want to hold your capital for so long. So what you can do is enter with the flathead green candle, exit whenever the different color doji appears. Then again enter with the flathead candle and exit with the different color red color doji. Right? Same way you can do here. So what you have to do, make a list of some monopoly stock. The market is about to open. So Nifty is opening gap up about 38 points. So some of the stocks that I can write for you here, definitely, 𝐻𝐿IPS-Carbon. I definitely want this stock to be in your 𝐻𝐿IPS-Carbon. I better should write it, on a this is not working out. So let me read it out. You can make a list, So I would say you take 𝐻𝐿IPS-Carbon, right? You can take 𝐻𝐿IPS-Carbon, you can take Jufic Bio, you can take Graphite India, you can take HEG, right? You can take Shankara, and you can take Aksh Optofiber is also a very, very good stock. You can also trade. It's a penny stock. You can definitely enter into it, right? Scient you can trade with Heiken-Ashi candle, right? Whenever you get a flathead candle, it's a very, very good stock. Rock solid IT stock. So you can enter whenever you see a flathead, green candle, and exit whenever the first red doji appears, right? There are many, many monopoly stocks. You can just make a list, in fact, you can enter with any of these good stocks that you see with high volatility. But I would suggest that take monopoly stocks. So like CDSL, you take CDSL, you can take 𝐻𝐿IPS-Carbon, you can take, I told you the Graphite India, you can take HEG, you can take JBMA, you can take many other such stocks, like wherever you see high volumes, those stocks you can take, right? And put them on your radar, keep them on your radar. You will keep getting, sometime one stock will have entry, the other stock will probably have an exit. Keep rotating your money, and this Heiken-Ashi only will give you so much of money that you don't need to see here and there. You need to master just one technique, So what I'm reiterating here, you need to take 1 day time frame, right? Second thing is that you have to see the first green flathead candle, right? All these dojis ignore, and the flathead candle should also be above the moving averages. Now one example that I can give you, recently, very, very recently, on my channel I have given quality, right? See the quality. This is a stock called Quality, and this stock has been falling down for quite some time, right? Look at from here, it started falling from this height, 168 or 169. It started falling down. Now it is available at about 61 or 62 rupees. I gave a buying between 55 and 60 something. If I remember, 55 or 60, in between that. Now, what was my reason? Of course, I'm telling you, since I'm talking about the Heiken-Ashi candle, definitely my one reason was the flathead, flat bottom green candle. After fall dojis, red doji, first flat bottom green candle formed. Whenever it appears the 10 moving average in the upward direction, I have given an entry, right? This is one fact. I do combine a lot of other facts. It's just one fact that I'm telling you right now here. But when I give trade, lots and lots of other things I look into and I trade based on that. So here, now from here, what I can see here, if I just convert this into the normal candles as well. Now see here, MACD is just below 37, right? And today it seems to be opening little gap up, 62.3, somewhere here. It's opening little gap up, So if it opens gap up and it goes, it has a probability of this run up. Can you see? This run up it can give. It has a capacity to move from here at least 10%. Right now, if we say we are at 62, then easily it can give you 70 rupees, right? So 10% movement is something that definitely can be looked into it. Only thing that I would also prefer that this RSI goes above 40, right? If it goes above 40, I'm 100% sure this cup formation will complete, something like this, and the stock will go up in next couple of days, or a week's time, I'm sure it will give us 10% movement. So this is how, I create my position in Heiken-Ashi candle. As I've been time and again saying, people can teach you, but ultimately you have to manage your money, right? People can give you trades, but you have to manage your trades. So the best way, if you have entered and you don't want your money to be blocked for long duration, you want to rotate the same capital, what you can do is enter whenever there is a flat bottom green candle, and whenever the first doji appears, exit your trade. Keep only good stocks, about 20 good stocks, different sectors. Let's say one from steel sector, one from like all these flips carbon and all. Then you keep CDSL, which is from a different segment altogether. Then you can keep an IT stock in your portfolio. Keep different stocks and keep creating position in them. Time and again, whenever you see a flathead candle, divide your capital. Let's say you have about 50,000 rupees. Divide your capital into 4 parts or 5 parts, 10,000 in each stock, and enter with Heiken-Ashi candle, right? It is becoming independent. It is becoming responsible for your money, right? So my suggestion to you will remain that please become independent in trading, so that there's nobody who's governing, how should you trade, what should you trade, when to enter, when to exit. I'm telling you, very simple technique. A person who has never traded in stock market can also master it. Simple. Go to Zerodha, go to display, convert this into normal candles, into Heiken-Ashi candles, and put 1 day time graph, right? Our entry policy is from 1 day, exiting is also from 1 day. You can, if you feel more confirmation, convert this into a 1 week graph. Bigger the time frame, better it is for Heiken-Ashi candle. It shows you more solid momentum. You can see that. Let me show you Scient. What is happening in Scient? So all these, see, beautiful run up it is having. It is having a beautiful run up in the upper direction. Another stock that is one of my favorite stock is India Glycol. India Glycol also, you can look into. This is a 1 week graph. Let's say we see 1 day graph, right? So whenever you see a flat bottom candle, enter into it and see the run up 460 to 549. Imagine this is the run up that you get. Look at it anywhere, right? Balaji amines, that's also another, all these chemical stocks are really my favorite. So see here, if you enter over here 355 and it gives you run up till 723, again there is an entry in the stock. I'm showing you a 1 week graph. You can convert this into 1 day as well, right? 1 day as well. See the beautiful entry here, right? After that, exit here if you want to, but this doji is above the 10 moving average. Continue, remain, this is where you get the exit. Again, you get an entry over here, right? Or if you want more solid confirmation, go to 1 week graph. See the run up, see the beautiful run up. You only have exit here. Again, whenever flat head candle appears, again enter into it. Again, whenever doji appears, exit. Then whenever you see a flathead candle, once again enter into it. So the beauty of Heiken-Ashi candle is the bigger the time frame, the better your trades become, right? Remember that. The bigger the time frame, better your trades will be. So 1 month even gives you even better trade, right? So please use Heiken-Ashi candle. Please control your money. You should be responsible for entry and exit. Besides that, you put the moving averages, put the 10, 50 and 200 moving average. If the moving averages take a support and you see a Heiken-Ashi candle, flat bottom, green candle, definitely a sure shot, sign for you to enter, right? So this is something basic that I want to teach you, but I have very specific strategies for Nifty trading. So guys, if you want to learn, please, we have already launched our programs. This is the first course. This you will get within a couple of days. Like I think tomorrow, by the end of the day, we will be publishing this course. You can join it. And Nifty is one stock which gives you unlimited amount of money that you want to earn. And you don't need to look into the stocks. You don't need to look into anywhere. No filtration, nothing. Just trade on Nifty. Just trade on Nifty and earn money every single day. Start with small lots, start with only 1 lot, 2 lot, or 3 lots, and gradually increase your amount. So market has just opened. Let's see what's happening in the market. So Nifty has opened, definitely gap up, and futures are massively up. Futures are massively up. Okay, so let's see. Let me just see what's happening in the market. So this is how the market is, right? So Nifty future, okay, it was not showing me correctly, but fine, not bad, not bad, huh? So all the calls are doing pretty good. So I have given Aarti Industries. I don't know how many of you have bought, but see the beauty of this particular stock, how beautifully it's been just going up from 1079. It is 121279. So request you guys to please join my Telegram channel and use the free advisory that we are giving for 1 week, right? See the accuracy of call. Then it's your choice whether you want to enter or you don't want to go for it. But please at least join as long as it is free and see. You don't even need to trade. You see how and what are the trades doing. With this, I'm signing off, but hope you have some better, like you can also refine technique, make this technique your own, convert, so I said for positional trades, you need to take 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. As bigger the time frame, bigger your, stock will be, better it will be doing. So with this, I want to sign off. And we meet tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll start with something new. So good day, guys. Enjoy your trades, trade well, and trade with confidence, and learn. If you want to be in the market, just learn. And now we have made the prices very, very competitive and throwaway prices. Just see, each of them will make you this money recover very, very fast, right? You don't need to um, worry much. It's not a huge amount of money, but your learning will be lifelong learning. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm definitely expecting you all to learn and trade with confidence. Trade with confidence, and I'm sure you will earn good amount of money. With this, I'll sign off. Good day. Bye bye. See you.